Hello there, my name is Sunil Yadav. I'm going to talk about how we can use type checks and cast in Kotlin. So let's get started. So that is, very primary thing, right? While we are using typecasting or checking what type object we have, right? So generally we have instance of in Java, right? And some other programming lab has different operators. In Kotlin we have is and negate like not is, right? So similar we can do that. It's very quite simple, right? It's not a big task. So to perform a runtime checks whether an object conforms to a given type. So use each operator or its negate form like not is. Okay. So what we are trying to say here, I'm saying if object is a string, then object or length. If object is not a string, same as not object is a string, right? And we can use a whole or like use only one, so not a string. So how we can do that? So I'm going to create one file again like the way we did earlier. Let's say exploring typecasting in Kotlin. So I'm going to create one more file here, exploring typecast, right? We can say one main method here and just try to copy paste this whole thing here, right? Now what is object here? I'm going to say well object, right, is equal to Sunil, right? And what is trying to say here is check for the instance is always true, because this is object is string, right? So here is going to be always true, but this one is going to always true as well, because this is not it. So this is compiler giving us just a warning, this part is going to always run and this part is not going to run. So let's see what is happening. It's trying to run it. Now we can say 55, right? Object length is 55. Okay, 2 times is running, right? So it's 2 times. Yes, suppose say println basically. This is not confused. Println. So println here as well. Basically, this is part is running right now. So let's see. Yeah, so 5 that's absolutely true. So this way, right, we can check the data type and what type you have and what type you don't have. So that's it. And how we can do the smart cast basically. So in the most cases you don't need to use explicit cast operators in Kotlin, because the compiler checks the explicit cast immutable values and insert shift cast automatically when needed. What is the mean is like, suppose I'm saying if x is a string, that means this block if inside is always a string, x is automatically cast to a string. We don't need to explicitly cast it. Like similar here, the compiler is smart enough to know the cast of say if it is negative check leads to a return, right? Because x is not is a string, that will return something, right? X is automatically cast to a string if I'm saying x is length. And that is also very helpful, right? While we are using an expression like I'm saying x is int, right? So int string do this thing. So similar way you can use. It's like very helpful if you're trying to use like if else you generally put into x, right? And you can use it. So what is unsafe cast operator? We have as, right? Usually the cast operator throws an exception if cast is not possible. Thus it is called unsafe. The unsafe cast in Kotlin is done by the infix operator as. Suppose I am saying y as a string, right? But might be y is not a string, right? That is unsafe. So as is generally we can say is an unsafe operator, right? So like converting an object into a different type. So we can use as, but that is unsafe. Note that the null cannot be cast to a string, right? As this type y is not nullable. If y is null, the code above throws an exception, right? To make such code correct for null values, use the nullable type, right, at the right hand side to our cast. Suppose let's try to use this example. Let's try to remove all this code. I'm going to say command B, and y is I'm going to say val y is equal to null, correct? So if I'm going to use like println x, let's see what is happening. Yeah, you see the null pointer exception, right? Why is null pointer exception? Because y is null and we are converting as a string, right? So that should be a case. So we must use the saying null cannot be cast to non-null type Kotlin, because string is not null, right? It's not a null. So and if we can use this, so here what we are trying to say here is required string but found like a string, so say in this xy like as a string, right? Like now it's saying null, we are saying as a value, right? So that is like unsafe cast operator is always problem, so we don't use it. Like here we have safe nullable cast operator. So suppose if you want to use safe, so we can say avoid exception, use the safe cast operator as and return null on failure. So similar here what I'm going to do, that like we are saying as this one, right? So let me do that. Now let's run it. Right, here is null printing and not null pointer exception. We are trying to nullable cast operator. So to avoid exception, to use safe cast operator as that return null on failure, right? So we're not getting null pointer exception. So that's it from this video, and here is lot of details. I'm not going to go through all these details, but as a basic, right, how we can use is and as really helpful while we are trying to check the type checks and cast our data. So thank you so much for your time. Please subscribe my channel and share your feedback.